Will I make it through that bridge? 10.5. My truck is at 11.2. But those bridges, they be lying sometimes, so I'm gonna go measure the bridge. The bridge is 11.10. Check that out. But I think we're gonna make it. Anyways, we're gonna give it a shot. Let's do this. Let's go back here. Let's see what we got. We are at 10.1. I'm gonna hook it up. Keep it on neutral. Let the rear tires hit the ground and just let it roll. We'll go under the bridge. And then I'm gonna raise it up after that and just finish hooking up safety chains and everything I need to do. Oh, that truck in front of me looks a little bit too high. Take his hit. Holy shit.
Siri, call Mr. George.
You're not gonna make it, bro. Yeah, you're a little bit too high there. You just hit. It's still going? Okay. This guy is crazy. Alright.
This is Mr. George. Please leave a message after the beep.
That's what you don't want to do, man. Just take your time and measure. See, so I'm good right here. I'm gonna make it already. I can tell I'm gonna make it. That guy has just got no patience. Let's go. So now I'm just gonna pull over on the side over there, raise it up, and we're good to go. Back on neutral, in park. Now let's fix the back. Alright, we're all good. But just let me tell you, man, don't trust anybody when it's about checking your clearance or backing up into tight spots. There was a clear example right there with that guy. He was waving at me, telling me to go, telling me I was clear, but I didn't trust him. I still took my time, even though I knew my measurements already. He didn't even know he was too high for that bridge. Also, let me tell you, if you see this video and you come across the same bridge, don't trust my video. Get out the truck, take your measurements, check everything really good. Make sure you do your own measurements in that, because I'm not responsible for any damages to anything.